Hello everybody. Today we're going to be changing out the display ceiling fan. We're going to be putting up my Hampton based St. Vincent to make a remake video of that. So what we got here is the Litex New Orleans. I'm not going to take it completely apart because I do want to put it back up. I'm only going to take the light kit off so that I can set it down and not damage that. So this takedown should be pretty simple. We only have to remove 2 screws and 2 wire nuts. Drop the screw. Good thing the light kit isn't brass. I would not want to scratch that up. Set that off to the side. We got the fan just chilling now. Put these wire nuts back on there. Got this nice pull chain on here. I like it better than the other one. The tassel. It fits the feel of this fan better. And there's only one screw we gotta loosen up here. And then the whole thing should be able to come down. I'll move the screws that I dropped out from underneath it. Oh yeah, the wires are super long, so right now they're wound up around the mounting bracket. Alright, so there it is, sitting on the floor, looking all... Don't mind the other 3 ceiling fan motors in the background. The Victorian I gotta put away. The St. Vincent is going up in the Lynn Haven right there. I gotta box up to sell it. I'm not gonna restore it. Too much work and I don't really like the fan anyway. So just sell it, make a quick buck from it. Buy some nice vintage stuff. I gotta put the pin back in that before I put it up. Now we got the St. Vincent here. Currently I just have this screw through the I switched it up with the brass canopy. Yeah, I feel like the green to brass ratio was a bit off. That's already ready to go. This St. Vincent actually fell off the shelf one time. You can see there's a pretty clear mark. It hit another fan on the floor. Yeah, right there. Yeah, it dented up the housing, but like I was able to fix it up. Now there's only a couple dents here and there. There's one on the switch housing and a couple on the motor housing. It's all good though. It's still in great shape. The motor is like loose though. I don't know why or how it's loose, but I don't like it. So we might have to take it down. The remake should be quick though. These are easy to do. I think I'm gonna like the brass canopy. It should fit on this bracket. I actually really like that. It's a good contrast between the down rod and the rest of the fan, and especially because the blades are green too. This is definitely going up in my room at some point, probably during the colder months, because it's not the most powerful fan on the face of the planet. I guess it doesn't work in updraft anymore. This is a powerful fan. The bearings are clapped. I don't know if the camera picks that up, but it's really loud. Gotta tighten this stupid little nut on the screw. That's good enough. The light kit should have, oh no, it's wire nuts. I did not know it was wire nuts. I don't like how loose the motor is. It'll be stopped if it does decide to fall, which it shouldn't. It's like locked in place. I gotta like fix that. We'll do a episode of St. Vincent repair about that. So the motor housing is still a bit bent. It took me like 10 minutes to fix it back up. Unfortunately, the logo is on the other side and you won't be able to see it. Yeah, I like the green and the brass. So I got the light kit. It should have all of its screws. It does. I do need wire nuts, so I'm just going to steal these from the Victorian. How is this not shocking me? It's plugged in right now. I don't know. But there's your light kit. And 3 screws all around it. There's a 3-fitter, and I'm pretty sure I have the right shades for it. I don't remember what I demonstrated it with last time, but I don't think they were correct. This fan, I figured out, has like the exact same motor as the Hampton Bay Huntington in my neighbor's house. Doesn't matter, but just thought you guys should know that. It's very important. Everything still goes together perfectly fine, even though the housing is all messed up. It's not too bad, really. It could have been much worse. This fan could be toast right now, which would be bad because it's uncommon, and I like it. It's a good fan too. It checks all the boxes. It's weird. It's got good performance, and I like it. See if the light kit works. Still gotta hook up this light kit wire. Yeah, it works. Not gonna use those bolts. Use some clear incandescents. Okay, I'm gonna go grab the blades and the blade irons. Alright, got all the stuff. One thing I noticed is that I used the St. Vincent screws on the Litex Ornate. They're the exact same thing, so I just grabbed the Litex Ornate screws here to use on the St. Vincent. They're the exact same screws. But yeah, here's the blade iron. I use tissue paper for some reason. We got the C brackets, which are amazing. I love the C brackets. They're fun. So I'm going to use this side of the blade that was originally down. Unless one side is really messed up, then we'll switch that blade. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? I stepped on bubble wrap. Yeah, I think I like the brass canopy better. It's not even for this fan. It's for my Bahama Deluxe, which I think has like my Concords canopy. I like hodgepodging parts together to make what I like. Move this drum onto the floor so I can sit down here. Oh, nice, we got a circle. Yeah, because bending over to put this together was hurting my back. I'm old. It seems like originally some of the blades were not put on the same side. Some of them have the stickers facing up and there's a mark of where the paint has changed on the other side of the blade. Like this one. Where can't this go? Fan over here. Turn around. It's kind of humid down here. Why is it oscillating? I want oscillating. I don't know who made this fan. It's either an SMC or an Air-Cool product. Maybe King of Fans. I don't really know. Hampton Bay had some different OEMs. I don't know how much these would have retailed for, but I'm like 80% sure that they came in 3 colors. I think they came in the green and brass, black and brass, and red and brass. But now that I say that, I feel like there was an all brass and a like white and brass one. I've never seen one. I've barely ever seen the red and brass one. I saw one on Facebook Marketplace for like, I think it was for free, pretty close to me. but like someone bought it 15 minutes after it was listed, which I was going to do, but it's gone. Unfortunately, I wanted that fan. Someone also bought a Gulf Coast Renaissance, which is basically, it's like the best Victorian knockoff ever. It's got a stack motor, had cane gloss blades, it was white and brass, and someone bought it. It was also free. Someone bought it before I did. I was gonna buy it. That was gonna be my like graduating middle school present. My mom let me get a fan, so instead of that, I feel like I got a I don't remember. There's something else off of Marketplace. Probably like a Hampton Bay something. I don't really remember. It wasn't this fan. This fan was like I just bought it because why not? Because like this is the only instance I've ever seen one of these ceiling fans. I've seen them on YouTube, but like never in person. Actually, I have. I just remembered. My old friend, like he moved, but he used to have a in his house he had a half basement, half garage thing. And in the basement part there's a little pool table, and above it was a black and brass St. Vincent too. Which is a very cool install. Didn't have the normal light kit on it though. It had like some Westinghouse looking add-on light kit. And I have seen them. I have seen these fans with switch caps. So I think that was something you could do. Add whatever light kit you want, but I don't really know. These fans are kind of obscure. I don't know much about them. All the screws are in the motor. I take them out. The one replacement screw is like silver. It's not too noticeable. The other ones aren't completely brass anymore. I don't like putting these blades on because they're all glossy. There's like nowhere for me to grab. But I'm pretty sure this fan was at one point $15, and once I bought it, it was like down to 10. But I did really want the red and brass one to keep with the. Oh, I just remembered what the fan I got for graduating middle school. It was the Hampton Bay Carousel, which I got. I think it was like $10 on Marketplace. I love that fan. Need to do a video demonstrating it down here because I haven't done that yet. I just have a ceiling demo of it, which is good. Wow, which is good, but it's a different vibe in this spot. We'll go with the Christmas lights in. I don't know how long I'm gonna leave this fan up for. Maybe a little bit, but I mean, now I'd have to put away the Litex, and this one doesn't need like any bearing work. It kind of does. They're a bit noisy. They're not horrible, and they're not brand new. They're plenty free. They're just a bit loud. So this probably is an SMC. Now I'm thinking about it. There's a really long screw in here. That screw's gonna fall out. I was worried that that screw wouldn't be able to tighten all the way, because it's like got a pretty long stem on it and not that many threads. Oh, I forgot to turn on this light. That looks so much better. You can see the fan. And that's another reason why I decided to do this remake. One, it was with my old phone, and like the camera quality on that was horrible. But recording it on that like wooden carpet thing back there is horrible. You can't see the blades at all. Hopefully over here, since you got the white background and the white insulation on the ceiling, you should be able to see it a bit better. Hopefully. If not, I'll grab like a another lamp. Yeah, I like the brass canopy. I know I've said that a lot, but it's perfect. I have a microfiber cloth. Let me see if I can clean up some of the smudges on it. The blade irons don't really need it. I tried not to touch them. No, it looks good. Brass blade. Then we gotta get some light shades for it. I'm pretty sure it came with the same shades that the Hunter Westminster had. And I've seen one of these on Emin Fan on his channel with a 4-light fitter. I don't know which one's original, or if this is the St. Vincent 1 and the 4-light is the St. Vincent 2 or the other way around. I really don't know. Yeah, this is kind of interesting because the motor can wobble inside the housing. It's weird. And if you didn't know, it's not supposed to do that. Let's see it. It's powerful. It's like hanging at a weird angle. Maybe the switch hasn't bent. Maybe that's what I'm obsessing about. Yeah, it doesn't wobble at all. It's moving a lot of air too. It's actually a lot powerful than I remembered. And also, if I remember, it has a pretty nice low. I want to try a couple shades on it. I'm going to try the Intimate Landmark style shades. I got a set of these at Goodwill for like $1.99 altogether. It's 3. Came with 3. We're going to use 3. Oh, I don't like stuff in this. They're all shiny. This should look fine. Missing a screw. That's great. I'm gonna steal one. When I got it, it had tulip shades on it. Definitely not putting tulip shades on this. That would look interesting to say the least. I kind of like these on. That's good. You know, it looks fine. The switch hasn't it then. So let's try to fix that a little bit. That looks good. Okay, I'm gonna grab the light bulbs and then we'll be done. use these Sylvania double life appliance bulbs. Clear bulbs and the brass ceiling fans look great. I feel like with clear shades this would look a little better. I wish I had a clear set of these landmark shades. Why is this one not screwing in? It's bright. Ow. We got the pull chains. The green pull chains for it as well, so we'll put those on. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed and stay tuned for the demonstration of this guy. Goodbye.